Oh my god. Dude, that's nice.
Taking everything apart, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the entire harness and just drop it on. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing the front wiring harness on the E30. When we did the swap, I got a little cut happy, pretty much cut the entire front harness, which is fine because most of it I deleted anyways. But today I basically wanted to cut it all open, spread out all the wires, keep what I need, delete what I don't need. I do need to wire in my fender Euro conversions, blinkers. But I'm pretty much going to be redoing the entire front harness, rewrapping it, rerouting all the wires, just making it look really good and presentable. I already got the entire front end off. I got the lights off the grills, all that good stuff. I got the harness laid out. I'm gonna cut it open and see what we're working with. It's pretty bare right now. This just looks like shit, so I'm definitely gonna redo all this. As you can see, that's just not to my standards at all. That looks like shit. So I got all the old electrical tape off. The wires are separated. I'm gonna start deleting all of the old, like I don't need any of these. All the ones that are cut from when I did the swap, those are coming off. Stuff like blinkers, headlights, the ground obviously, just stuff like that, all that's staying. I basically just want to simplify it, make it look nice, rewrap it, and then reroute it just so you can't see it a little bit more in the bay. Figuring out where everything goes. Stripped, spread out. I know what some of them are, some of them I'm not too sure, so I'm gonna figure that out. Okay, so the only thing I know right now is that I know all the brown wires are grounds. So I'm gonna open up the fuse box, take out the fuses that I don't need, and see what wires go to which in the fuse box, and then I'll keep those wires in the harness, and then we'll go from there, I guess. Okay, so both the fog lights are 29 and 30. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look in here. They are purple and yellow. We'll go over here and find purple and yellow wires, which would be right here. purple with yellow. Purple wire, yellow stripe. This is horn. I don't have any horns, so I'm cutting this bitch. Yellow with a purple stripe. Purple with a yellow stripe. This is gonna be the other horn. So that means yellow with the purple stripe would be the fog lights. So that's this one. Should be fog light right, I think. Fog light right. And then brown and yellow. Brown and yellow, this one. This one's gonna be the left fog light. Okay, so now I'm separating each wire by side. So these are all going to be the right side lights. So those are all good. All I'm doing now is literally just wrapping the wire. I'm using a high heat insulation wire because I like the look of it. So what's good about this tape is it's pretty much like Play-Doh. It's really malleable. It like sticks really good to itself, so I can wrap it around and it's pretty much not even sticky. It's the same on both sides, but when it sticks to itself, it's really sticky. Okay, so finally finished the harness. Took me about an hour to fully wrap it. It's pretty simplified. There's not much on it. I only got low beams, high beams, which still need to be converted to the Euros, but I just left it because I don't even use them. And then this is for the fog lights. I left that because I have plans for that in the future. And then obviously for the left side, low, high, and then fog light. And then the ground cable, which I had to shorten because there's no reason for it to be that long. But you can see the aftermath, everything that I pulled off, all the old 30-year-old electrical tape, and then those are all the wires that I pulled out. Most of those are from either things I didn't need or I shortened a lot of wires because they really didn't need to be that long. But I'm keeping all that, throwing all that away. I'm gonna install the harness now and then should be done. Okay, so routed it through here. Before I had it zip tied up here. Now I have it ran through the bottom, so you can't see it at all. This is how I wanted to do it from the beginning, so I'm glad I'm doing it now. And these are like the perfect length now. They used to be so long. Same thing with this side. These are like the perfect length. They go right to where they need to be. I think it came out really good. I'm really glad I did this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Alright, I just got home. Anyways, let me know if you guys have any questions. I had to pretty much look up the entire diagram of the front harness because I didn't want to delete anything that I needed. I only kept what I needed. I only kept the headlights, I only kept the side blinkers, I only kept the high beams. Pretty much everything else I deleted because I don't even have it. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Came out pretty good though. I like it.